It's not the legislative. It's not the legislative body. It's Glenn per se. I don't know why it was necessary to have a press con. He could have called me and asked me about it. I don't know what he's trying to do. Is he declaring war? Because I'm prepared for war. Glenn Soco. Mo kini ang deklarasyon ni Cebu Provincial Governor Pamela Baricuatro batok kang Vice Gobernador Glenn Soco. Kini human na sagmuyo ang gobernador sa mga pasangil batok niya na adunay nahitabo na backdoor negotiation kabahin sa pagkolekta sa provincial government og 200 million pesos gikan sa Apulan and Quarry Corporation kon ALQC isip compromise settlement. Ang proposed settlement nagtinguha na mahuman o maresolba sa hingpit ang tanang gi-assess nga mga buhis, monitoring fees, environmental enhancement fees, ug mga subcharges, interest ug penalty sa mga kompanya. Ang original nga assessment base sa provincial treasurer mubalor og 1.2 billion pesos. Sa minabayng semana mipadayag sa pagkwestiyon si Soco pinagi sa usa ka press conference sa nahitabong compromise. Aso niya na ang unang pangutana, angayan ba nga mahatagan og compromise agreement ang ALQC sa dili pa moabot sa punto sa pagdesisyon kung pila ang ay kolektahon gikan kanila ubos sa kasabutan. Mipasalig si Soco na ang provincial board mupalam sa pagsusi sa proposed compromise settlement ug mipahimug-at sa impact nini sa mga taxpayers. Samtang gitandi ni Baricuatro ang mga milabay nga compromise agreement niadtong Abril 2023 tali sa Dolomite Mining Corporation kon DMC pinagi sa sangguniang panlalawigan Resolution number 779-2023 base sa kasamtang report sa Province of Cebu nakabawi og mas dakong kita ang probinsya itandi sa miaging DMC compromise. Mipatinaw sab si Baricuatro na muagi sa provincial board ang gikataho nga settlement. Gitakda na hisgutan kini sa Joint Provincial Board Committee hearings na pamuluhan nila board member Nelson Mondigo ug Michael Villamor. Gani adunay hagit si Baricuatro na i-livestream ang maong tigom. We are transparent. Okay. You know, that's why I urge Captain Ing na sa inyong committee hearing, i-livestream na para makita sa katawhan. Gusto maghaamog transparency and accountability, give it to the public. I urge them to do a live streaming for their council meeting.
Such hypocrisy. This is part of what I told you of that demolition job they're doing on me. But my conscience is clear, you know. I don't know if their conscience is clear. But as far as I'm concerned, my conscience is clear. There's no backdoor negotiation. It was a discussion between lawyers, between legal teams. So can you see the hypocrisy that's happening here?
At some point, Gov, did it stain your relationship with the legislative body?
No, that's not the legislative. It's not the legislative body. It's Glenn per se. I don't know why it was necessary to have a press con. He could have called me and asked me about it. I don't know what he's trying to do. Is he declaring war? Because I'm prepared for war.